This is my Legos. And they are pretty cool. At least. You think they're cool, right? And so over here are the plants, and that's a man. Boss. And that's another man, and these are the vehicles. That's a bike. And if we turn it around, what's that? A Lego set. And those here are the spots where you can do stuff.
How does this work?
Well, so it kind of.
Why are you videoing us?
And this can come off, can come off like this, and you can put it back on. And this comes. Whoops. It doesn't do that. But this comes up and up. Oops. And this opens and closes. And this feels, and you can. And this does most of
Why
the
is it
same.
on that thing?
Well, because it looks like cool. That's like it looks like zoom. Yeah, so that's what. And this is the pizza that they're cooking, and these are the two dogs. The two bones, one little one, one big one. These are the wobbles. And yeah.
Okay.
This.
Hi. I am looking for my kitty cat. Have you seen it anywhere?
Nope. There's no kitty cats around here. There's dogs.
Okay. So why are bad guys hanging?
Well, because they rob and they hang. Other bad guys don't want to heal. These are bank robbers. These
What
okay.
do their toilets do? Cool. Secret toilet.
And he's using the party.
Okay.
Say goodbye, guys. Bye.